Srishti Marwa and my topic is Overview of Cost and its Elements.
Today, I welcome you all in Cost Accounting lecture. In this class, we will understand overview of cost and its elements. But before proceeding further, it is very much essential to understand why do we calculate cost, what is the need to find out the cost. Every business wants to raise their profit either by increasing selling price or decreasing cost price. So today we will discuss what is cost. Basically, cost in Hindi we called it as lagat. It means the amount of expenditure, actual or notional, incurred on a particular thing, product, activity and services. Whenever we talk about cost, it is very necessary to control cost, to reduce cost so that we can stay in the market for long period of time. According to manufacturing, cost is something actual or notional incurred on a particular thing but for an individual or for a customer. It is selling price which includes cost plus profit. Now, let's talk about its elements. Elements of cost. It constitutes three most components. First one is material, second labor, third expenses. When I talk about material is very necessary to control the material cost. So when we talk about material is basically of two types, direct material and indirect material. Direct material is something which we can traceable, identify. For example, timber used in furniture making, table, it contributes major part in production. Then we talk about indirect material. Indirect material refers to the material which we require to produce a product but not directly, and it does not form a finished product. For example, nails are used in furniture. Then labor. Labor is the remuneration paid for physical or mental effort expended in production. Labor is basically of two types. Labor is basically of two types, direct labor, indirect labor. Direct labor refers to the amount paid to the workers who are directly engaged in the production of goods. For example, carpenters engaged in furniture making. Indirect labor. Indirect labor refers to the amount paid to the workers who are indirectly engaged in the production of goods. For example, inspector, sweeper, watchman. Let's talk about its third components, which is expenses. Expenses refers to the cost incurred in the production process but not include under material or labor. Expenses, basically there are two types of expenses, direct expenses, indirect expenses. Direct expenses refers to the expenses that are specifically incurred by the company to produce a product, and indirect expenses refers to the expenses that are incurred by the organization to produce a product, but these expenses cannot be easily found out accurately. Thank you.